koutou, ko Annika tukunga. My name is Annika.
And Modena Winton School, ko Kenya ho. I'm Kenny.
Welcome to the NEWS News for that period, the 12th of September. Okay, let's get into Te Kupu or Te Wiki.
This week's phrase is Tohatoha.
Tohatoha means sharing or to share.
Right on to health and safety news.
If the signs are out, make sure you look about. The grass is muddy, we don't want you grubby.
On to today's notices.
There is gymnastics on in the hall at morning tea. If you are in the JCLS and the flipping 5, it's your turn for practice. You are doing your dances this week, so you all need to be there.
There are no powers this week due to New Zealand Clean-Up Week in Herald.
Can all year 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 Winton's Got Talent performers meet in the library at morning tea, please?
This week is Te Wiki or Te Reo Māori, Māori Language Week. This week, if a duty teacher hears you using Te Reo in the playground, they will give you a green card.
Write your name and room number on your card and put it in the box in the library to go on the draw to win a prize at the end of the week.
Lost an orangey-brown Nike basketball from room 12 and 13 Cloak Bay on Tuesday. If found, please return to room 12. Reward offered.
There is band down in the hall after school. Please be set up and ready to go.
On to birthday news.
Happy birthday to Zafana in room 12. Don't forget to swing by the office and grab your birthday card from Daddy.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can either rewatch the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
And that's it for today from everyone here at the NEWS News team.
See you tomorrow, Winton School.